The Business Review this week takes a look at Jamaica's positioning to take advantage of the fourth industrial revolution, a time when technology is taking over.
Nobody less than Jeff Bezos of Amazon referred to the time that we're living in as the beginning of a golden age. And that's what's happening during the fourth industrial revolution.
This entity looking to be a part of the revolution in Jamaica is business process outsourcing operator Ibex Global. The company last week opening its new Caribbean and Latin America headquarters in the Digital Building in downtown Kingston, bringing excitement.
We're absolutely delighted to see more companies make this move. This has sparked the rejuvenation of downtown Kingston. The picture-perfect waterfront views and easy access makes this one of Jamaica's most sought-after locations. Downtown has been great for many companies, and as we continue to work on improving the conditions of our community, we look forward to seeing more and more businesses downtown.
CEO of Ibex Global, Bob DeChant, endorsing Jamaica's push into the lucrative BPO sector, saying the country could push employment in the area to between 80,000 and 100,000 with strategic initiatives. For his company, the pledge is 5,000 of those jobs.
And thanks to the commitments of our friends at Proven, Chris Williams and Pierre Shirley, we were able to complete in October a 400-seat expansion in October over in Portmore at the Portmore Pines Plaza, which then took our capacity in Portmore from 700 up to about 1,200. Big increase, of which our sales team has already filled.
Expanding to the digital building is the next phase of its rollout. Mr. DeChant outlining how many jobs it will add.
Here's the quick facts about Ibex Waterfront. 50,000 square feet, 3.5 floors, approximately 1,000 seats. Across the street, we have an additional 5,000 square feet where we're putting our recruiting hub and training hub for Ibex Jamaica. And we've ramped over the holidays to over 400 agents, and today we're at 500.
It comes with a capital investment in excess of $6 million and the 2,500 jobs already created means the company is halfway through its target, but planning acquisitions and mergers, new possibilities, creating more jobs.
But Ibex Global, the call center company, now has extensive capabilities. Digital marketing, all the way to technology jobs. And I think for this market in Jamaica, it creates us a lot more opportunities to be more than just call center jobs and the management jobs associated to that, but significantly more that can be around digital marketing as well as other opportunities within the CX environment.
The challenge now is for the government to clear hurdles in the way of the growth of BPO businesses and train workers to do the job. Of the 20 top BPO companies in the world, 9 now have bases in Jamaica. For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.